Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one does come with the advanced lighting package, which is going to give you an active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. A silk beige MV-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a natural grain black ash wood trim, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the premium driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a keyless go, speed limit assist, pre-safe plus, Distronic plus, active lane keeping assist, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC 300 has 30,331 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmanimports.com.